Hey, we're recording, baby.
It's right here, no?
Yeah. Max is driving. Cabrón, cálmate, güey. Chula Vista, the 125 South. Ay, cabrón. Max is driving his 300.
Alright, so do I downshift here?
Nah, you can if you want. You're on the 5th?
Yeah.
Yeah, go to 4th. Slow down, like, brake. Like, 'cause you got current turn 40 miles an hour, you're going 60. Uy, cálmate, güey. Cálmate, güey.
Should I go to second?
No, you're fine. You're on 3rd?
Yeah.
You're fine. So Max has a 300 ZX. I had a 240. Max has a 300. We bought this from one of my buddies. We fixed it. It's all good to go now. Like, fixed it. There was a MAF sensor we had to fix. All this the short shifter was up. We had to change the the drive shaft.
Oh yeah. I forgot about that.
Change the drive shaft. Change the shifter because it was super loose. Change the MAF sensor because it was idling very heavy. We just did the oil change. It's smooth as baby. Max's first day of school was today, so he has to learn how to drive this car, or else he's gonna be getting dropped off by mommy and daddy every day. But you ain't gonna do that, right, Max?
Nah.
So you can drive this shit. I'll finish registering my car. All it needs is VIN verification. Make sure that the car wasn't stolen. So I'm gonna do that. We just gotta go get a moving permit, and then go get it, take it to the DMV, drive it back, and then get my plates. Then I can drive it to Mexico. You boys ever been to Mexico? Where's that from?
No idea. I don't know.
Super Troopers.
Oh, I've never seen that movie.
Yo, is this mic gonna pick up how loud this cabin is?
Probably.
That's what it sounds like. What are your thoughts, Max? How's your first day of school?
It was okay. The teachers were pretty chill. I looked at the syllabus, and it's quite interesting. Looking forward to it. Looking forward to it.
Alright, that's pretty much it. That's what we're doing today, right? And then we're eating later, and that's pretty much it.
We already ate.
No, I mean like eating like dinner with my dad.
Oh!
Alright. Are you nervous driving this car?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
Are you in 4th gear still?
Yeah.
Get the out of 4th gear. You have a 5th gear, you know that, right?
Yeah.
So you know you burn less gas when you're in a higher, like you know when you're on a bike and you're on a lower gear?
Yeah.
Like you're pedaling harder? But when you're on a higher gear, you're pedaling less, but like it's more powerful, does that make sense?
Yeah. Are you still recording?
Yeah. Daily teachings of driving stick with Mark Anthony Mendez. You want to say anything to the boys back home?
Nah.
Alright. Type is out! What?
Hello.
Like an old man. Oh my damn on, kids. Just got out of, what was it? Inspection, DMV inspection. That bitch honked at me. And she's like, oh, I thought you were far enough away. I was like, what the f***? You f***ing trying to motherfucking scare me? What in the flying fadoodle, bitch? She's checking lights, checking the horn, making sure the airbags are good, making sure the VIN number was fine, make sure it doesn't look stolen, or make sure blah, 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 blah. DMV, the DMV check for no reason, you know the DMV. But it passed. She's like, okay, this is what the state requires. And I was like, oh, okay, thank you, lady. And right now we're gonna drive it to our DMV plug, which is like an office, like a DMV office, but without going to the DMV. It's dank memes, bro. So yes, that's it. I mean, it passed. I should get my tags today, my plates and my tags and all that shit. I'm excited at what plates she's gonna give me. I don't think I get to use those same ones, do I? Like the ones that I have in the back of the car?
I don't know.
Oh, I guess
I'm
we'll
pretty
find
sure
out.
you can. Can you? Because I mean, I don't know.
I don't know either.
We'll have to find out. Hello? Hello?
It still has a fucking dumb donut spare on it, so we can't take the freeway. Last time we took the freeway, it was like, and I was like, oh my god, it's so scary. That's it.
Okay, say goodbye, Mark.
And then after that, yeah, Max is
Okay.
gonna drive. Well, we gotta go pick up my sister. That's it. That's it. Yeah, bye. Peace out. What?
Look at the Eiffel Tower, dude.
Sick. Stupid. So, do you have to blur them out? License plates?
We might have to.
Because they can know where I am.
Some people do, yeah.
I can die. I go.
F-E-D.
Fed.
169, Mark.
Yeah, you know what's sick is that
69.
like yeah, it's tight. 69. So
what have we accomplished today?
well, we got our tags 2019 baby. That's it. I mean, for the most part, that's what we gotta do. Oh, we gotta put the MF. So there's two of them. It doesn't matter. One's in the front and one's in the back. No, right?
No.
Just boom, boom, plow. Boom, shiggity woo wop wop do bop dop.
April.
April. Yeah, I think this car was registered till then, so some shit like that. So we can peel here. Treyway. Ay, cabrón. Treyway.
And how long have you been waiting for this moment, Mark?
Well, it's been what, a month already?
Yeah,
Has it been a month?
probably.
Yeah. So, they gave me f***ed up plates. And take it out of the way. And then boom. Right?
Mm-hmm.
We should get nicer. What do you call them?
Frames.
Yeah, but what else? Ay, cabrón. Chinga madre, güey. Treyway. Oh, we don't have a screwdriver, do we?
No.
Sick.
But you can just screw it on. Yeah, there you
Yeah, I mean, what else, right?
go. Yeah.
Who needs a real screwdriver when you got your hands? Why can't I screw this shit? Oh, there we go.
How are you gonna put it on? Hello.
My name is Max, and I'm a youngin', and I don't know shit. Comics.
Hello.
Who is this? May I help you? Well, yes, I take my multivitamin every day. How about you? There you go. Take two. There you go. Ahora sí, cabrón. Ahí está, manos. Treyway. Ahí está diciendo, Treyway. He likes men. Ah. All right.
Nice and tight.
Tight like a tiger. I'd be sick if it was 619. 8 fed 619. And let's put the front ones on, as that's what my tío said. Oh, these are way shinier.
You can just polish them.
Whatever. Like, do we have to blur this shit out? Like, I feel like, what can people really do? Can they really do anything?
I don't know.
With my license plates?
Let us know in the comments down below. No, just kidding.
Let us know in the comments down below if you can steal my identity through my license plates. Thank you. Treyway. Need to clean this shit again.
Yeah. So this is my car. It's much more cooler. Hello? I need to get this fixed. Or I can just get a new one at the junkyard or something, you know? He's just over there putting his silly license plate and this antenna. The interior. some new MF seats. Anyways, what's this fool up to now?
You know?
Yeah. So what are your thoughts, Mark?
Nothing. Let's take it to Mexico. You boys ever been to Mexico?
Where's that from?
Super Troopers.
Oh.
Alright, that's it. Let's go. We're late.
Yeah, we are late.
We're hella late.
Watch shot. Oh, flex.
Next time. Till next time. Vape Nation. We should have been recording from the beginning. From the cops. Yeah. Alright, so this is my 240, my Nissan. I'm just like, yeah, evolved. So we're in Mexico, land of the free, home of the brave. It's like, I've been recording everything. Mark, just so you know, it's my buddy Mark. I've known him since fucking forever. He has an S2000. Follow his Instagram. I'm just trying. So right now we're driving the car to my grandma's house, because that's where my body shop guy is gonna pick it up here in Mexico, because labor over here is dumb compared to the US. So we're driving it over there, leaving it there. We're gonna Uber back somehow. Holy shit. You wish you could see what you're saying. Look at this. She's a cheerleader, bro. Yeah, the guy gave me so much shit right now. He was like, "Oh, where's your paper registration for the car? Do you have anything?" And I was like, "No, DMV is gonna email me all that shit, or mail me all that shit." And he's like, "Well, it's kind of weird that you don't have a bunch of shit for your car." I was like, "I don't have it." He's like, "Oh, okay, whatever." And he just let me go. He saw my passport. Mexican cops looking dumb. Which is good though, because usually like they charge you. Like if I had parked in the car. For real? Yeah, they charge you for a bunch of shit. You gotta go towards the flag. Oh, that's your grandma's bed? That's near my grandma's bed. But we gotta go up a hill. It's some Takumi Toge battle hill that we fucking go up to. I swear, dude, you'll see it. It's sick. I like driving in Mexico because it'll be aggressive and you got weed and shit. Yeah. But I hate the design of the roads in Mexico. But yeah, Max is gonna have the drone. Like once it's done, I'm gonna have the drone, just have drone shots, make sick ass videos, driving videos. And it's sick because Max has a 300 and it's in white too. Oh yeah, okay. Look at that cup light going on. What's yellow in Spanish? Amarillo, dude. Amarillo? If you don't go first, fuck Mexico will never let you go. Like people driving and shit. Yeah. Like, fuck. So after this one, then you take a right, and you go up. So you have to remember how to get home, bro, or how to get to my grandma's house. I was scared. I've driven to my grandma's house in a minute, so like, do I still remember how to get there? Mexicano sombrito de guerra. That shit gets like put up and down, and I don't know. There's like certain days, like flag days, that they keep it up. We can eat right now. We eat first.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Instead of like,
Right. Yeah, exactly.
and we should
Eat first, and then go.
see right there. That's a good side.
That was a good time. Yes. There you go. Yeah, we can cheers.
Yeah, it's way better. First bite, I told you.